Good morning. It's Lynn from Holistic Health and Wellness. Welcome to the replay. I would love for you to tag me in here, hashtag replay, hashtag live, whichever one you're in. So pretty exciting this week because Monday starts the 5-day clean eating challenge, which I've been talking about and which I've posted up there in my groups and on this page so that you can join. It's free. So what it will do will give you a little taste of how it is to eat the clean lifestyle. So if you've listened to me for a while, you know that basically is the way that I eat. I shop through the outsides of grocery store. Not very often do I deviate into the other aisle. So I shop for the fresh stuff. So we're going to talk a little bit about that on the challenge, and I'm making it super easy because I know we're all busy and sometimes you get involved in a challenge and it becomes overwhelming. So I'm just kind of giving you a little bit of it just to get your feet wet so that you don't get overwhelmed. There'll be instructions for you, there'll be some recipes for you, so it's not something that just lasts for the 5 days. You can take that with you past that time. So this is a great time to try eating a little cleaner lifestyle. So what I mean by clean lifestyle is living a life where you're eating fresh, wholesome foods. And of course, we're coming out of the spring, even though I know some here in the States are having some horrific weather, cooler days, but we really are almost into summer. We've only got 3.5 weeks left until summer's here. So all the summer produce is going to be coming in. Great time to be eating clean and getting those different tastes. So as I've said before, the best way to eat your seasonal fruits and vegetables are to eat them seasonally when they're grown and they're fresh picked. Far better option for you. Plus, it's cheaper to buy them at that time. So I hope that you'll join me and I hope that you'll invite some friends along. So I would really appreciate you sharing my event. It's on this page. You can just share the event with friends. You can ask them to come along. I will put again the link underneath here. So I would love to get, my goal is to get 50 people on here. So I'm still needing a few people. So if you would share that event, I would so appreciate it. If you would tag some people under the post, then that would be great. It actually is on my website, holistic-healthandwellness.com. And if you go under the tab that's called free, it's the very first one, the 5-day clean eating challenge. So it'll be fun. There'll be prizes. So I hope that you will join me. I look forward to seeing you there, and I'll be back on Friday. If there is some specific tip or some specific aspect of health and wellness that you would like me to talk about, please drop it below in the comments. I would be happy to do that. Again, this is Lynn from Holistic Health and Wellness, and I hope that you'll join me. I hope that you will invite some friends, and I look forward to seeing you later in the week. Bye.